Hello dear friends. Welcome to this journey of self-discovery and tranquility. Today we're talking about meditation, a practice that has the power to transform our lives. It's a journey inward, a way to find peace amidst the chaos of our daily lives. Imagine walking down a winding forest path or sitting on a peaceful beach with gentle waves lapping at the shore. We all long for peace, don't we? That deep sense of calm and contentment that seems so elusive in our fast-paced world. Meditation has been practiced for centuries across various cultures and traditions. From ancient temples nestled in nature to historical sites surrounded by lush greenery, the practice has stood the test of time. People from all walks of life have found solace in it, whether it's a diverse group meditating in a park or individuals practicing yoga by a serene river. The benefits are universal. It's not about religion but about connecting with ourselves on a deeper level. It's about finding that quiet space within where we can just be. In a world that's always rushing, meditation offers a pause. It allows us to step away from the hustle and bustle and find a moment of stillness. It's a chance to simply be, to sit by a calm lake at dusk or under a tree in deep thought and just breathe, to be present with ourselves just as we are. In a quiet room with natural light or by a serene river flowing through a forest, we can find our center. Let's explore this beautiful practice together. Let's sit in group meditation in nature or at the edge of a cliff, and feel the connection to the world around us. Let's discover the peace that resides within us all. As the sun rises over a calm beach or we sit in a peaceful meadow, let's embrace the tranquility that meditation brings. What happens when we meditate? We give ourselves the gift of stillness. In stillness we begin to heal. Our minds are often busy. Thoughts race, worries nag, plans swirl. Meditation helps us quiet the noise. When our minds settle, we find clarity. We can see things more clearly. We can make wiser choices. Meditation also brings peace to our bodies. It eases tension and stress. We feel lighter, calmer, more at ease. How do we begin this journey of meditation? It's a question that many of us ponder, especially in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Meditation might seem like a complex practice, but it all starts with something incredibly simple and accessible to everyone. It starts with something simple, our breath. The breath is a powerful tool that we often take for granted. It's always there, a constant companion that we can turn to at any moment. Our breath is always with us. It's a natural anchor to the present moment. When we feel overwhelmed or lost, focusing on our breath can bring us back to a state of calm and clarity. When we focus on our breath, we come home to ourselves. It's a way to reconnect with our inner being, to find peace amidst the chaos. The simple act of breathing can ground us, centering our mind and body. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes if you wish. Allow yourself to settle into the moment, letting go of any distractions or worries. This is your time to just be. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe. Feel the natural rhythm, the gentle ebb and flow. This observation is the essence of mindfulness. As you breathe in, feel the coolness of the air. Imagine it filling your lungs, bringing in fresh energy and vitality. Each inhale is a new beginning, a chance to refresh and renew. As you breathe out, feel the warmth. Let go of any tension or stress with each exhale. Imagine the warmth spreading through your body, bringing relaxation and peace. Your breath is your guide, leading you inward. It connects you to the present moment, to the here and now. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and inner peace, one breath at a time. Meditation isn't just about closing our eyes. It's also about opening our awareness to the world around us. Sit quietly and listen. Notice the sounds near and far, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, the hum of the city. Pay attention to sensations. Feel the weight of your body on the chair, the texture of your clothes against your skin, the warmth of the sun on your face. Engage your senses fully. This is mindfulness. It's about being present in this moment, with all its richness and beauty. Section 5 Body Scan, A Journey Within. Another simple meditation technique is the body scan. It's a wonderful way to connect with our physical selves. Lie down comfortably or sit upright. Bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations: warmth, coolness, tingling, pressure. Slowly move your attention up your body. Your feet, ankles, calves, knees, thighs. Spend a few moments with each part. Continue this journey all the way to the top of your head. Observe your body with kindness and curiosity. It's a sacred vessel. Section 6. The wandering mind, a common hurdle. When we first start meditating, we might notice our minds wandering. This is completely normal. Don't judge yourself. Thoughts will arise. It's the nature of the mind. Simply acknowledge them without judgment. Thinking, you might say to yourself, gently guide your attention back to your breath, or to the sounds around you, or to the sensations in your body. Meditation is a practice. It's like training a puppy. Be patient with yourself. With time, your mind will settle. Section 7. Patience and kindness on the meditation journey. Patience and kindness are key to meditation. Be kind to yourself, especially when you're starting out. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. Let go of expectations. Simply show up with an open heart and a willingness to explore. Some days will be easier than others. That's okay. Even a few minutes of meditation can make a difference. Celebrate your efforts. Each time you sit in meditation, you're giving yourself a precious gift, the gift of presence. Section 8. A personal story of transformation. I remember when I first started meditating, my mind was like a whirlwind. Thoughts spun in every direction. I felt frustrated and discouraged, but I kept practicing. Day after day, I sat with myself. Slowly, I began to experience moments of stillness, moments of peace. Meditation has transformed my life. It's helped me manage stress, find inner peace, and cultivate compassion for myself and others. It's a journey I continue to this day, and it's a journey I invite you to embark on. Section 9. Embracing the practice, embracing yourself. Meditation is a gift you give yourself. It's a moment of stillness in a world that often feels chaotic. When you meditate, you create a sanctuary within, a place where you can retreat and find peace. This practice is not about perfection, it's about presence. It's about showing up for yourself day after day and giving yourself the space to breathe, to be, and to grow. It's a way to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Start small. You don't need to meditate for hours to reap the benefits. Even a few minutes can help you feel more centered and grounded. As you build your practice, you'll find that these moments of stillness become a cherished part of your day, a time to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. In those 5 minutes, you can let go of stress, release tension, and find a sense of calm. You can use this time to focus on your breath, to observe your thoughts without judgment, or simply to sit in silence and enjoy the stillness. The key is consistency. Make meditation a regular part of your routine, and you'll start to notice the positive changes in your life. Find a quiet space, choose a technique that resonates with you, and begin. There are many different ways to meditate, from mindfulness and guided meditations to mantra and loving kindness practices. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. The most important thing is that you take the time to do it. As you sit in stillness, you'll discover a world within. This inner world is rich with insights, emotions, and experiences that you may not have noticed before. It's a place where you can explore your thoughts and feelings, gain clarity, and find answers to the questions that have been on your mind. Meditation opens the door to this inner world, allowing you to connect with your true self, a world of peace, clarity, and wisdom. In this space, you can find a sense of calm that transcends the chaos of everyday life. You can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. You can tap into a wellspring of wisdom that resides within you, guiding you on your journey. This is the gift of meditation, the ability to find peace and clarity no matter what challenges you may face. A world that's always been there, waiting to be explored. This inner sanctuary is a place of refuge. a place where you can find solace and strength. It's a reminder that no matter what happens in the outside world, you have a place of peace within you. This is the essence of meditation, the journey inward, the exploration of your inner landscape, and the discovery of the treasures that lie within. Embrace the practice of meditation. Embrace yourself. This journey is about more than just finding peace. It's about finding yourself. It's about accepting who you are, with all your strengths and weaknesses, and loving yourself unconditionally. It's about recognizing your worth, and giving yourself the care and attention you deserve. You are worthy of peace. You are worthy of the time and effort it takes to cultivate this practice. You are worthy of the benefits that come from meditation, the calm, the clarity, the wisdom. You are worthy of the journey inward, the exploration of your inner world, and the discovery of the treasures that lie within. You are worthy of love. Love from others, and most importantly, love from yourself. Meditation is an act of self-love, a way to show yourself that you care. It's a way to nurture your mind, body, and spirit, and to create a sense of balance and harmony in your life. When you meditate, you are giving yourself the gift of love. You are worthy of this journey. The journey of meditation is a lifelong one, filled with ups and downs, challenges and triumphs, but it's a journey worth taking. It's a journey that will lead you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. So embrace the practice, embrace yourself, and embark on this journey with an open heart and an open mind.